Hi, welcome back to Simple Safari. I'm going to restart the channel, and if you're new, please subscribe. That's my cockatoo Elmo in the background there. This channel started with the idea of RV living, but I never got to travel, and I thought, well, they'd be bored because I can be kind of boring rambling on. But now I'm focused on healthy eating because I have a heart issue, and I've got a blocked carotenoid, and I have leaky mitral valves, a blocked aorta, and they have to pull 10 teeth to be able to even address the heart. I'm on the oxygen, obviously, so I need a little work. I also, as you can see, moved out of the RV into a place because I couldn't keep climbing the hill and then climbing into the RV, throwing the groceries and the heavy stuff that I had to deal with in, because that was hard. Simple Safari will be about healthy eating, what I'm eating, and Elmo may or may not steal the show. Sometimes he'll just get busy and do his cockatoo thing, and sometimes he'll take over. I'm not going to talk about heavy stuff with the health and everything. I mean, updates or whatever, but I don't want to. I want fun and inspiration, and that's what I'm hoping for. If my story resonates with you, I have a GoFundMe, and you can share it, you can donate, you can do whatever makes you comfortable, but a share would be awesome too. No pressure. And what do you want to hear about first? What I'm eating, something, that good recipe, or do you want an Elmo video? Whatever. If you're new, like, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll talk to you soon.